Okay, what if we want to connect another webcam camera? If we want to connect another webcam or any USB camera, we change nothing. I connected now another camera, and let's run the same service. I'm running it as command line so that we can see what is happening, but for sure you need to make it just auto run and run it from the service. Actually, you need to make it auto run here, and it will start every time you start the Raspberry Pi. It stopped. Not sure why here. Here. Video. I guess the virtual videos are video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 is expected to be the webcam video and 0 is the Raspberry Pi video. Again, let me run it and see. There is error. Let me check now. I guess there is error in the camera module. Yes, I tried to run the camera module and there is an error. And the error is because I made something in the configuration file. I corrupted something. Yes, here it is. This line should be commented. That's why it failed. Now, if I started like that, it's running. So we must remember that the script, when it fails in any step, it restarts all the steps again. By the way, the script or this small C++ application, the Camera Manager wrapper, is open source and also available with Android script on GitHub. And the source itself exists here, by the way. You want the source here in the script wrapper. Here it is, the source. And even there is a README file that you can read to get more into how this file works. Okay, now the DE camera is running and we can see we have two cameras, the DE Raspberry Pi and the HD camera. For now, let's check that it is working. Here it is. Okay. So we have two cameras. Now we will configure the cameras from the web. We go to the camera configuration, camera list. We add the first camera. We select camera by name. With Raspberry Pi camera. Here we select camera by name. We review the text. Apply. I added the first camera by number, so it's camera number 6, and the Raspberry Pi camera I added it by name. And now we need to restart. But as we As we said in the previous video, restart means it will stop, it will kill the service, and the service should be run again using the services. If you are running it automatically, it will rerun again, but I'm running it manually now. Here we can see we have two cameras. This is the first camera, the Raspberry Pi, and this is the webcam camera. Let's refresh the screen. Okay, now we have two cameras and they are both working. Last thing, if you want to run it from here, here it is, now it's running. If I press again, it will be auto run. So it will automatically restart when I restart the Raspberry Pi. Again, give it its time, and we will find it here. Okay. I can now make this service also auto run. And I can restart the board. Reboot now. And we wait. Should start automatically with the camera. Okay. It took about 2 minutes and still the camera is not running, and it will, just give it some time. Here it is, Raspberry Pi camera, here it is. I guess we have the other camera should also run. Maybe we need to restart this module. Okay. Now I press restart and it will restart automatically. I will not change anything. I'm not executing any hidden script. The service itself, because it runs as a service, it restarts itself automatically. Here. Okay. But we can see only one camera. Why the Raspberry Pi camera is hidden? Okay, I now know the reason. Let's debug this. The reason is that the Raspberry Pi camera, the USB webcam camera has a different video number, and we can detect that here. This is, we need to stop here. We need to change the settings and let the camera scan from device 1 until device, say, 10, for example, and start. Okay. No, I cannot see the WebRTC. Sorry, I cannot see the webcam. I need to debug. Stop the camera. Oh, here it is. It is accessed as Web 0. Okay. Because the settings here, it should appear Web 0 is here. Okay, the video, the webcam appears here, but I found the error in the configurator here. It starts from index 1, not 0. So again, we can start the service. I'm leaving the video like this with the issues that I discover here and the problems that I face, because you will face these problems and you need to know how and where to look to find the solution. So the first thing is to execute this command as a command and check for the found cameras and check for the range that it searches for or that scans, and see which is selected and which is not. So this one is selected now, so it should appear here. Here it is, and here it is the camera. Okay. I want to try if I can search for the name. If I go here, configuration, I can add the first camera using its name, which is Raspberry Pi, and can add another camera using its name again, which is 27 HD webcam. Apply. No, this is not camera 1, this is webcam. And this is Raspberry Pi cam. And we can restart. Okay, we need to start the service or the code command. We refresh to clear all of this. Here are they. We have 2 cams only, and we go here, find more backups. We go here, we find this is how we configured them. We configured them by name. We know the name, and this is the display name. Again, this is the display name. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it useful and informative. Thank you.